Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Panasonic dual cassette deck player and recorder to show you. The model number of it is RS-361. But before we get into it, quick fun fact. Did you know that you can buy a cassette player that holds up to 6 cassettes? Yeah, and it will automatically exchange through them if you have it set up to do so. But now that you know that, let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have your audio input and audio output. The input is for recording and the output is for connecting it to your sound system. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output and then connect your power cord. And then once you have it all connected, you can power it on and put a cassette in each deck. And then this deck will be your recording deck, and this deck will be your playback deck. And on the front panel, you have your power button right there. And then you have record, play, rewind, fast forward, stop, and pause. And then this is your input level adjustment. You can decide how loud you want the recording to be for your line input. And then you have your counter and counter reset. And then you can turn on or off Dolby noise reduction right there. And then you can turn on and off dubbing right there. So we'll go ahead and do some dubbing. We'll show you how that works. So right now it's dubbing. And then you have your peak level meter right here. So that's pretty much all there is for this Panasonic dual cassette deck. It's very basic. It has all the basic play functions and then only 2 extra features. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.